Health benefits of tiger nuts. Are tiger nuts good for you? Tiger nuts, also known as chufa nuts, are a type of tuber that are grown in various parts of the world, including Africa, Europe, and Asia. They have been consumed for thousands of years and are known for their health benefits. Here are some of the ways that tiger nuts can be good for you. High in fiber. Tiger nuts are a rich source of fiber, which can help to promote regularity and prevent constipation. Fiber also helps to keep you feeling full, which can aid in weight management. Rich in nutrients. Tiger nuts contain a range of essential vitamins and minerals, including iron, magnesium, potassium, and vitamin E. Good for digestion. In addition to being high in fiber, tiger nuts contain resistant starch, which acts as a prebiotic and helps to feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut. This can lead to improved digestive health. Anti-inflammatory properties. Tiger nuts contain compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce inflammation in the body and protect against chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Good for heart health. Tiger nuts may help to lower cholesterol levels and reduce blood pressure, which can lower the risk of heart disease. May boost immune function. Tiger nuts contain antioxidants and other compounds that may help to support immune function and protect against infections. Overall, tiger nuts are a nutritious and healthy food that can provide a range of health benefits. They can be enjoyed as a snack or added to recipes such as smoothies and baked goods. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.